Hello, so this week I am back in the Lake District, which I'm very, very happy about. I'm in Whinfell Forest, which is just outside of Penrith, and every year we come here for 5 days over my girlfriend's birthday. There's all sorts of cool things to do. There's no cars around, you can walk llamas, you can chill in a kayak on a lake, or you can baste yourself like a rotisserie chicken in various steam rooms and saunas, which I very much enjoy doing. Also, there's a dope quad bike safari as well, which we do every year. I got a little bit overconfident this year, hit a turn really wide, hit a bank, and next thing I do, the handlebars were above my head. So I was like, peace out boys, I'm off. Leapt off like a ninja, and it was only when I landed on my feet that I realised that I'd flipped the quad, so it's a new experience for me, that was nice. But anyway, every year I quit social media, and there's a very, very good reason for it. Allow me to explain. So there are 365 days in a year. I find it hard to believe that the human brain is supposed to be connected to every person it's ever met for that entire time at the touch of a button. So once a year, I like to turn my phone off, throw it in a cupboard, and live in a world where it simply doesn't exist for 5 days. For those 5 days, I force myself to live in the moment, to try new things, appreciate what's happening around me, and tune out the things that don't matter. Because ultimately, what other people ate for breakfast doesn't matter. How many likes you got on your latest post on social media, it doesn't matter. The emails waiting in my inbox, in the grand scheme of things, probably don't matter, and if they do, I'm pretty sure that they can wait. The way I see it, there are 360 other days of the year to think about all that stuff. So why wouldn't I take 5 where I just don't? So, cheers for coming to hang out. I just got back from my trip to Penrith. I feel very relaxed, stress-free and rejuvenated. I'm home for the rest of today, and then tomorrow I leave for a music video shoot in North Yorkshire, which is about 4 hours away from where I am now, and we get to set some stuff on fire, so that should be pretty cool. If you enjoyed this week's video, make sure you hit like, that'll appease those pesky YouTube algorithms, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. So that's me done for the week. I took a lot, I mean a lot of photos while I was in Penrith, so I'm going to end this video with a bunch of those. If you like what you see, then head over to Instagram to Radstuff Photo Video, where I'll be posting some more photos there as well. I'll be back again next week with another video, and hopefully I'll see you guys then.